My country people, I don't be going to get pidgin news story for this 20 minutes. So today I want yarn on a Nigerian military head wey be say they escape coup for inside Obodo, Nigeria. General Yakubu Gowon, July 1975. Gowon enter power after July 1966 coup wey lead the death of Major General Johnson Aguiyi-Ironsi. The particular coup wey pursue the government of Gowon comot not cause any death, and na junior officers dem na dey do and say they not like Gowon government, say e lack progress and e wan go back to democracy. Dem announce the coup when the head of state go Uganda for Organization of African Unity Summit, and na Brigadier Murtala Mohammed na im replace am. Major General Muhammadu Buhari, August 1985. General Buhari enter power 1983 after wey dey end President Shehu Shagari government by coup. Just 2 years later, Chief of Army Staff wey be General Ibrahim Babangida come lead another coup wey end Buhari government. Babangida replace Buhari under house arrest for inside one small bungalow for Benin City before later they come release am 3 years after. General Ibrahim Babangida, April 1990. This coup wey dey try to comot Babangida from power no work 3 years earlier, and na Major Gideon Okafor na im lead the coup. Im send some soldiers dey go Dodon barracks, but Babangida escape from back door. Im fight back, e come kill the 41 soldiers dem wey wan make sure say im government no go work. Ernest Adekunle Oladeyinde Seneca, November 1993. Seneca survive coup wey nobody die, and na Major General Sani Abacha na im lead the coup, and na less than 3 months when im collect power from Ibrahim Babangida when im resign. Abacha with im fellow coup soldiers dem come force Seneca to resign. This na Pidgin News Network with the Yarn Pidgin English, and na me MC Dehi na im bring una this story.